Thank you, Greg, for your kind intro. Hi, my name is Efli Moore, and I am CEO and co-founder of RemitRix. Over 10 years before I established RemitRix, I was working as a financial risk manager for one of the largest life insurers in Israel. Time after time, I was witness to the lengthy and cumbersome work procedures we had to go through to remain compliant. In light of my technological background, the mixed communication between my department and the actual department made it clear to me that the gap can be bridged by technology. 5 years later, we managed to launch a revolutionary solution to manage insurance risk rather than to be managed by it. Results were evident with our first three clients. RemitRix is able to solve insurance regulation challenges by transforming risk into strategic advantage. We have developed a unique B2B SaaS platform to better predict capital and manage financial and actual risks for insurance companies. We are disrupting a market controlled over decades by large players by providing an agile, accurate, and cost-saving SaaS platform. The consumers in this heavily regulated market are buying into complex core system built on top of out-of-date technology, expensive to maintain, and dispersed over different departments. This has perpetuated inefficient work procedures involving manual Excel work and lack of holistic management, which entails to seek for more qualified actuaries. Those, of course, are costly and hard to find. All these are resulting in a firefighting culture. Actuaries are focused on reporting rather than predicting, unable to unlock their real potential to improve the company financial results. RemitRix tackled those challenges with an agile, affordable, and simple to integrate SaaS platform. Modeling and reporting have never been so potent and easy. The unification of data sources and automation of the workflow improve prediction accuracy and save costs. We already proved that with our current client by mitigating capital requirement by up to 1.5% and reducing time to deliver both on implementation side of our solution and reporting side by 80%. Our solution is the preferred choice that resolves the transition barrier for such complex core system, which means it holds great scale-up potential. Automation of reports, accuracy of models, agility of modular platform, unification of different regulation frameworks, holistic approach to meet requirements in one-stop shop, and affordability of the product in terms of pricing and time to implement with minimum efforts from the client side. The market is ready for change. IT insurance market is estimated at $12 billion a year with 7% CAGR. We are targeting $2 billion market, small mid-sized companies that either use manual work and cannot afford expensive IT solutions, or companies that are binded to an old and out-of-date IT solution, suffering the pain of long and expensive implementation costs, and looking for affordable solutions that are agile, inexpensive, and compliant. In opposed to the pricing model of our competitors, which is based on a number of sheets, our pricing model considers the size of the client, which will allow us to quickly become an industry leader. $10 billion asset under management, $100 billion and above. Many of the market players offer products which are based on complex platforms, but not necessarily built for insurance. Our unique combination of features, starting from robotic process automation for complex modeling and through a holistic approach, give us the advantage over our competitors. We managed to build all of this on behalf of a professional founder team with accumulated experience of 60 years in the regulatory insurance sector. All three of us were working on both sides of the industry, both as users and as vendors, so we could clearly identify what is missing and what goes wrong in the process. With the current ARR of $125,000 generated by our first two clients, and with only 3 more local pilots in the current pipeline, we expect to reach a target of more than 5 times the current ARR by the end of next year. Our go-to-market is planned to be based on the Big Four and other market players in the consultancy space, including white labeling options. All these efforts are already appraised by our clients and are recognized by the market players, such as world-class accelerators, insurtech competitions, and grant providers. So far, all of these have been achieved with relatively small funding round, total of $800,000 in convertible notes during the last 5 years, to achieve our vision to gain traction and scalability, become a market leader. We need interest to corporate partners and seed investment of $1.5 million, which will help us to expand the R&D team, our presence overseas, and boost our ARR to $5 million within the next 3 years. I invite you to schedule a quick call with me to learn more. Scan my Calendly link. I will be waiting for you. Thank you for your time.